Hi kids! Oh wow, an owl! This is eraser also. Yellow color, white color, yellow color, yellow color. This is so cute. You can also separate the parts.
No.
Keep it aside.
Wow!
Let's open it. So many things. Wow, sunglass. Our second thing is sandals. Third is a diamond ring. And fourth is a flower. Let's learn the colors. At first, join it. This is a very beautiful sunglass. Have you any sunglass, kids? This is so nice. Black color, blue color. Colorful sandals. So pretty. High heels. Light green, pink. It has a flower also. Third is a flower. This is a pink rose with green leaves. Pink color, green color. Our last thing is a diamond ring. This is red color. Do you like them, kids? Red. Wow, a chick inside the egg. This is eraser also. Let's open it. This is so cute. You can also separate them. Let's separate.
No.
A green colored chick. White colored egg. Join them again. Do you like it, kids? Oh wow, a small car. This is so cute. Yellow color, sky blue color. You can also open the parts. Do you know that this is eraser? Wheels. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 wheels. Seat. Let's join them again. Now keep it aside.
No, 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 no.
Ta-da! কি সুন্দর একটা গাড়ি। তোমাদের ভালো লেগেছে গাড়িটা? 1, 2, 3, 4 চারটে চাকা। চলো গাড়িটাকে একটু চালানো যাক। কালো রং, সবুজ রং, লাল রং। Oh wow, color pen! So many colors. Let's learn the colors. Green color, blue color, red color, purple color, pink color, orange color, and the last one is yellow color. Let's learn numbers. Purple. 1, 1, 11, 1, 1, 11. Red. 1, 2, 12, 1, 2, 12. Green. 1, 3, 13, 1, 3, 13. Pink. 1, 4, 14, 1, 4, 14. Yellow. 1, 5, 15, 1, 5, 15. Orange. 1, 6, 16, 1, 6, 16. Blue. 1, 7, 17, 1, 7, 17. Red. 1, 8, 18, 1, 8, 18. Pink. 1, 9, 19, 1, 9, 19. Purple. 2, 0, 20, 2, 0, 20. Now say with me kids. 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Bye bye kids. Keep learning.